This floor was installed in 2018. It's withstood standard warehouse abuse, forklift traffic, daily cleaning, and just industrial abuse. Besides that, all the Seahawks fans that are walking over it, probably a lot of emotional abuse. But emotional abuse aside, I'm going to show you how in just 2 hours we can bring back a floor that's been damaged for 7 years with normal wear and tear. Okay, now let's talk about what 7 years of abuse actually looks like. And this floor has our gloss urethane top coat with our grit additive, which just adds that much more strength to the top coat. So as you can see, we have standard scratches that you're going to find in any warehouse. Now this is from pulling all sorts of things across the floor, including pallets. We have different damage over here from where we have dropped multiple things, probably from different heights. So that's to be expected. But notice how it's not delaminating the entire floor. Notice how when it has brunt force damage, it's just localized right there, and it's just focused in one particular area. Past that, more scratches, and a little something that went on here. The best floor to wipe out on, though. A little more damage over here. It looks like people dropped some heavy things over here, and it began to try to chip a little bit, but again, it stopped. It was just focused in this one small area. So it just has standard damage that you're going to have in a warehouse. All in all, 7 years of this much traffic, really impressive. When floors do fail, they fail because people take shortcuts or there's just a lack of prep work. We installed this floor properly from the beginning, which is why it's still going strong after 7 years in a warehouse like this. But let's just do a light sand on it. We'll do a fresh top coat and we'll bring it back even after 7 years. So let's show you that now. Video.